Welcome everyone, my name is Janet aka PerkiPerkins, and today on my channel I'm really excited because as you can see from what's behind me, I'm going to have a special Adore Me Elite box unboxing. If you're interested in finding out about the Adore Me Elite box, make sure you guys keep on watching. But before I go any further, don't forget you guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, select all in your notifications. This way YouTube will notify you the moment I do any uploads. And also, I would also greatly appreciate if you guys can either give my video a thumbs up or a thumbs down, you know, if you like it or dislike it. I would love to know, and a comment. But let's get to it and let's start talking about the Adore Me Elite box. And let's go. Today I'm doing the Adore Me Elite unboxing. I wanted to make sure and explain the Elite box to you guys as it is different than the VIP membership. Also, before I go any further, I would like to note that today's video is once more sponsored by Adore Me. Thank you so much to Adore Me again for sponsoring another one of my unboxings. I am so thankful. So thank you so very much. And don't forget you guys that I do have a link down in the description that's not affiliated, that it's for you guys. So if you guys would like to sign up for the Elite box or get just a standard single item, you guys can definitely take advantage of that link. It's an amazing discount just for you. But if you're wondering, like, Janet, what is the Elite box? Get to it, girl. So the Elite box is a monthly service, so it's kind of like a monthly subscription, curated subscription for you guys when it comes to lingerie, loungewear, etc. One of the great things about the Adore Me Elite box is that they actually have a really good detailed styling quiz for you guys to take before you actually begin your subscription. Adore Me has a very detailed styling quiz. This way they can easily narrow down and pinpoint not only your style and color preferences, but also of course your sizing. With the styling quiz, you're really able to hone down like what are your true preferences when it comes to the bras, the bottoms, and what color schemes or prints you prefer. You can always choose more than one. You can even customize. Do you like super sexy? Do you like classic? Do you like romantic, playful? Do you like corsets? Do you like loungewear? Do you like activewear? You know, so on and so forth. Even swimsuits, because swimsuit season's coming up, so I'm sure you guys are going to want to pick up a few swimsuits here very soon. For the Elite box, you typically receive 3 sets, whether it's a bra and panty, a lingerie set, a lounge set, or even activewear. And the sets typically range from $39.99 to $59.99. You are charged a $20 styling fee, but as long as you keep one of the sets or one of the items, that $20 is deducted from your total. So that, I believe, that's really great, because again, this is something that's being more customized and catered to your preferences. And I'm like 90% certain if for some reason you need to skip a month for whatever the case might be, you are able to skip a month when it comes to the Elite box. I think I've explained the Elite subscription enough, so let's get to it and let's start the unboxing. My first bra I'm going to pull out is the Emanuelly push-up. The Emanuelly is in the black with nude trimming, and this one is more of that push-up, so it does give you a lot more lift. But I love the beautiful soft detailing. The quality is always impeccable in my opinion, and they're very sturdy. And then I received the matching bottoms, which these are the Hipsters, and I really adore this little kind of like skirting. It's so cute. And the little soft detailings on the side of the leg. It's like on the tushy side. I'm not able to pronounce the name of this particular bra, but I'll make sure to have all of them typed up on the screen. Nymphadora. I'm so sorry. I know I'm butchering it horribly, but this is kind of like a demi push-up, but it's a very thin padding, so it's like it's just barely lined. And I really love this style. I've actually gotten similar ones in different style, like I've gotten something similar to this before, and I really do like them because it really pushes everything up, so they're like And I appreciate the thicker band in the back. This makes it so that it stays nice and put, you know what I mean? Oh, and so cute. I don't know if I've ever noticed this before, but it has little tiny hearts. So cute. I gotta look at the other ones. I received the cheeky bottoms on this one, matching the bra itself. Super cute. I'm not sure how to showcase this one properly. I'm having it's a much more sexier it's a much more sexier bra. This is Emmeline, I believe it's pronounced. But this is, you know, again, a little bit more sexy. Has the little beadings. You can kind of see that, but it's open in the center. But it still has a little bit of a underwire, so again, it still keeps everything nicely lifted. And here are the bottoms. And the bottoms, this little detailing does match the bra itself, which is super cute. And I believe these are considered the bikini. These are considered cheekies as well. In my box, I have a little bit more items, so I can share with you guys like different options that you can possibly receive. So I just wanted to note that, because again, typically you're sent 3 sets every month. But depending on your preferences, you are able to receive loungewear, and you're able to receive pajamas, you know, different lingerie. So this is Alexia. This is a long sleeve. It's kind of like a lounge slash pajama shirt. And again, it's so cute. I want to stick my hand in here. It has the little side, it has lacing throughout the side of your arm, which is very cute. It's a great lightweight kind of long sleeve, and it does have the tie at the bottom, so you can cinch it in, which I feel is great for spring and summer. And it also came with this matching shorts. And also, just like the top, it actually has the same detailing, which is very nice. I love purple. Next, I received Felicity. Felicity is kind of like a nightgown, and if you guys can see, it has great thick material, and it has a built-in bra inside, by the way, so that way, you know, it's nice to know that if you want to have like a comfortable pajama dress or something like that, that this has it built in. So I just want to show you guys how far it goes. It goes just above my knee, and what's very cute, it has like a little slit on the side, and if you want, you can always ruche it. So if you wanted, you can always like ruche it to make it look a little bit more cute. The material is very nice and kind of casual, where if you wanted to, you can pair it with some sneakers, and you know, take it out for a walk, do something, you know what I mean? So I think that's great. For my last item today is actually a sports bra. So for my last item, this is the Mission sports bra. Me and my daughter are starting to work out, you know, going lightly. So this is actually going to come in perfect, because nothing that I've owned in the past is fitting me anymore when it comes to workout equipment. When it comes to like sports bras and workout stuff, you know what I mean? This one's really nice because it has a built-in bra, so it's a little bit more sturdy. So this one's really neat because it has the built-in bra without having any wiring, and you still have your, it's the one that's more fitted to your waistband, so that's great. I really appreciate the fact that it covers more of the cleavage, because I just don't feel comfortable when the, you know, things start falling out. So it's like an extra security blanket for myself. And again, this is actually the pink is actually one of the new colors for the spring season, which is great as well. So those are all the pieces that I received this month from Adore Me, and I would love to know your guys' thoughts and opinions when it comes to the Adore Me Elite box. Do you feel it is something that you'd be interested in signing up for? In my personal opinion, I really do feel that the Adore Me Elite box is a great alternative, especially for someone that doesn't necessarily like going out in public and having to try things on, or just likes to have the ease and comfort of having the product shipped to their home every month. And again, for only $20 and it's deducted off your total, that's pretty awesome. You're given 7 days to try out the items to make sure it's something that you actually like or fits you, you know what I mean? So I personally feel it's a great deal versus running back and forth from the store and all that fun stuff that goes along with it. It's all time and money at the end of the day, right? And when you think about it, the Adore Me Elite box is truly saving you a lot of time and money. You're provided a great service that is curated to your needs and preferences, and you can always adjust your quiz as well. So that's always great. And thank you all so very much for giving me a little bit of your time out of your busy day to watch my unboxing. If you guys did make it this far, leave me a comment with the little flower emoji and let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not part of the Perky family. But take care, be safe, and I will catch you on the next one.
Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive, nothing inside.